Hello everyone. I do not know what I will do today. Lol. It's okay though. Uh, hmm. I'm not really going to focus on graphing because that's a different field. Hmm. Uh, I really don't know what to do here. Hmm. Wait, okay, I have an idea. A plus minus B bracket N is equals to, what the shit is this? Binomial theorem. What the shit? Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is very much fine actually. Uh, hmm. Equals to the sum n or k equals to 0. And oh yeah, let's just put that here real quick. Uh, hmm. One. I think this is uh nk a to power of n minus k bk. I have no idea what the hell I just said. What the hell I just said? I think this is the binomial theorem, I think. Cool. Uh... And then, I think this is level, this is level 1, this is level 2. And then, this is level 3. Wait, no. Plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay. And then I think this is power 4. A4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the 4th. This is getting quite long already. Wait, and then notice here that a plus b to the power to the n is equals to like the nth row of the Pascal's triangle, like the coefficients. The coefficients of a plus b to the n is like the nth row of the Pascal triangle. So it's 1 1, so it's 1, then 1 1, 1 2 1, 1 3 3 1, 1 4 6 4 1, 1 5 10 10 5 1, 1 6 15 20 15 6 1, and then so on. basically the Pascal's triangle is a triangle where the numbers are basically the sum of the two numbers on top of the number. But it's pretty likely that you will not be using anything above a plus b squared in like secondary school. So let's forget about that. But instead, I'm gonna teach you about something new. Okay, this is known as let's see, what should I teach you? Well, wait, let's go with a bit of geometry. So A equals to AH. I think that's like a area of a parallelogram, right? You can think of it as like and the reason it is simply the area is simply the length times the height is that you can think about it by putting it this way. You can think about it like transferring the triangle. Wait, no. You can think of it like transferring a triangle over here to form a rectangle. So therefore, this is the area of a parallelogram. Now, where this gets a bit harder is when we go to trapeziums. Oh, this is actually kind of difficult. But essentially, what you need to know is that we gotta find the midpoint of the y-axis midpoint of the trapezium, and then we find the average of the two straight sides, which we label A, which we label L1 and L2, and then we find the average of both, giving us L1 plus L2 times 2, and then we gotta think about the height. So times the height. Therefore, this is correct. You can also write it like 1/2 A plus B, or L1 plus L2 H. Wait, I think there's a special function for subscripts, right? And I think that's pretty much it for trapezium and rhombus. Or wait, no, not rhombus, parallelogram. But a rhombus would pretty much be the same anyway, since we can basically just use the same method as we did for for the area of a parallelogram. And no, I will not talk about the 3D figures. I mean, I can give the formula for them, but like it's going to take quite a while to prove them, so I will not prove them. So first of all, let's get this guy out of here. The volume of a cube is the length, the cube of length, obviously. It's LBH, obviously. The surface area of a cube is 6L squared, I think. For a cube. So yeah, I think so the uh for a cube, and then for a cuboid. What the shit? What? What the shit is this? Okay, will be LH plus LB plus BH. Also, that's how you write a subscript. Okay, got you, got you. Now, what about whatever the hell this is? Whatever. Okay, yes, this is much neater now. But as I was saying, how do we find the area of uh well, of a pyramid? First we got a section of this corner right here. I think this one's called a pyramid. Volume equals to 1/3 LBH. I will not prove it anymore. I kind of hate this job. Lol. Okay, anyways. Shit. What the shit happened here? Well, anyways, enough fooling around. I think a volume of a cone. I think a cone is like a pyramid, but the bottom area is a circle and not and not a quadrilateral. So it's actually 1/3 pi r squared L or H, I think. And then I think a volume of a sphere is 1/4 pi r cubed, and a surface area equals to 4 pi r squared. Let's see, what else do we have here actually? I don't really know. Oh wait, I think the perimeter. Wait, okay. Wait, why would you think I need a? Wait, my ruler is kind of like not very. Okay, you know what? Never mind. I think I'm just going to. Yeah, there we go. And I think I'm just going to pretend. Okay, there we go. This is the Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to introduce you to the Pythagorean theorem. We don't need this anymore. So, and then I think we just gotta insert square root of a third is equals to C. So we label this A, B, and C. Wait, what? Okay. Everything's working fine. Yeah. So by converse of the Pythagorean theorem, if a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, then it is a right triangle, and otherwise it isn't. So as you can see here, a squared and a and b are actually the same length. So what we can do is to put it through. So we can take the root of a squared plus b squared to give us the root of c squared, which is c. And root a squared plus b squared, since they are the same, we can just put this as root a squared plus a squared, which is root 2a squared equals to c squared. And then, which is equals to c. And notice that the a squared and root cancels out, giving us c equals to 8 times square root of 2. Okay, bye.